take it from that leaf very carefully and to plant it to a bigger pot, like this. So I will plant this baby to a bigger pot, and of course I will plant this leaf again in that pot because it has roots, and hopefully it will give me more babies in the future, so why not? Again, fill up the pot with that soil. Put my part of that leaf again inside, add some soil, and this is it. And now I will be planting these, my beautiful baby that I managed to grow from a part of a seed, from a part of a leaf. So I want to plant my baby in this almost transparent pot because I want to see how everything's going. And why I took this one, because in this I have drainage holes, and to avoid some mess I just put one cup into another cup and everything is clean and everything is good. So I take my finger, make a deep enough hole, gently, carefully, slightly put my plant inside, cover it with soil. If it will be necessary, I will add some more soil on top, and this is it. Why I planted in this type of a cup? Just because I want to see how everything is going, everything is developing over here. And of course, in the future, when all my Sansevierias, all my snake plants will give me more babies, I will just plant them in one big and beautiful pot and will grow them for years and years and years. And now when it's small, when it's a baby, I plant it to this type of pots, so to say. And yeah, so this is it for today with this beautiful snake plant.